Hi, my name is Mohammad Gul and I am a student of TLZ. Today I am here to tell you what could I do and what couldn't I do. What can I do and what can't I do. When I was a child, I was very talented. I could go to school with my friend on foot every day. I could play cricket. I was a good all-rounder. I could swim in the water very easily with my friend. I couldn't. I was a good student, but I could not write, read, speak, and understand English. I could not cook food, and I could not make tea. Nowadays, I am learning English language in DSE. That's why I can write, read, speak, and understand English. I know English. That's why I can use mobile phone very easily. I can play cricket. I am a fast bowler, a hard hitter batsman, and a captain of my cricket team. I couldn't drive a car because I don't know how to drive a car. I can't cook food and I can't make tea because in Pakistan usually women cook food and make tea. That's all, and thank you so much for listening my presentation, and I hope you like my presentation. Bye.
My name is Sunan. I am from TLC Intermediate level. Today I am going to tell you my childhood memories, can and could. When I was a little kid, I couldn't run very fast. I couldn't go with my friends so far away from my home. Nowadays, I could go away from my home, and nowadays I will play cricket. Nowadays I play cricket very good. Nowadays I run faster.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Hudayfa Imran and I am a student of TSG Intermediate. Today I want to tell you that what could and what couldn't I do when I was a kid, and what can and what can I do right now. So let's begin. When I was a kid, I could play cricket as a fast bowler because I had a cricket fever, and I had a great advantage of my height. But I couldn't do batting because I was not good in batting. I could play games in computer because I love to play games in computer. I couldn't use mobile phone when I was a kid. Now in today's life, I am a professional graphic designer and I have a great knowledge of printing also. I can design each and everything whatever I want, but I can design web because it is quite different from my fields. That's all from today's my presentation. I hope you like it. See you guys next time. Take care and love.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saba Yasin. I am from TLC Intermediate level. Today I am presenting about my present and past abilities and activities by the using of can and could. So let's start. When I was a little kid, I could just cry and sleep. I couldn't read about anything. When I was growing up, I could understand everything. I could do many activities like I could eat food myself. I could drink water myself. I could read the newspaper. I could write and speaking very well. I could read the newspaper, I could write and speak very well. I could go up by the stairs. I could operate a mobile phone, I could operate a computer and many electric machines at home like washing machine, microwave, juicer, blender as well. But I couldn't understand politics, I couldn't understand fake pupils, couldn't go outside alone. When I was growing up more, I could able to create many things. I could able to achieve my desires, but I couldn't achieve my all desires because at that time I had some restrictions because at that time I was so too innocent. Now I can operate computer very well because I've got 20 years experience to operate computer, but I can't get any diploma. I can make wear mehendi very well because I have got God gifted skills to make a design. I can't ride the bike, but I can drive the car, but I can't drive the truck because I'm not truck driver. That's all. In the end of my presentation, I want to say thanks for listening my presentation. I need your valuable feedback. Thank you. Bye bye.
Hello, my name is Ali and I belong to TLC Intermediate. Today, my presentation topic is about what were the things I could and I couldn't do when I was a little kid and the things I can do now and I can't. So, when I was a little kid, my parents were very careful of me. They never let me do the things like going out to play and riding bicycle or no. So, when I was a little kid, I couldn't talk with someone because I was very agitated. I couldn't ride bicycle without supporting wheels because I couldn't do balance. I couldn't go outside alone without my parents because I was a little kid at that time. But there were also some things I could do. I could sleep whenever I want. I could play with my toys as much as I want. I could cry and weep for something I need because little kids usually cry if they need anything. But now, coming on things I can't do now. So I can't go too much far away from my home because I'm not allowed by my parents. I can't ride bike like other teenagers because I don't have bike and my mother says she will never give me bike. And I think I can't play cricket too much good because I think my batting time is not good. But I can go outside alone with my friends to hang out, to spend time with them. I can wear clothes of my choice. I can eat whenever I feel hungry. So that's all. Hope you like my presentation. If you like my presentation, do comment below. You will see me in my next presentation. Allah.
Hi, I'm Marisha Siddiqui from TLC Intermediate level. Today I'm talking about my childhood memories. Basically, I'm telling you how to use can and could. When I was 1 year old, I could only do eat, sleep, cry, and play with my family. When I was growing up, I could start observing everything. I love to play games, and I could love to play badminton with my friends. We enjoy a lot that time. We could enjoy a lot that time, and now I can play. Now I can play table tennis better. But every evening we could go for cycling, but we couldn't go so far away because we're just 12 years old kid. So our parents couldn't allow us, and now I can able to do everything alone, and I could play badminton, and I can able to do. I can go anywhere alone. That's all. See you next time. Keep watching our videos. Thank you.